AI video generation is exploding right now, but one tool is making serious noise. PikaLabs. If you've ever wanted to turn simple text prompts into stunning videos in seconds, this is the tool you need to know about. In this video, I'll show you exactly how PikaLabs works, how to get started, and some insane results you can create today. So what exactly is PikaLabs? It's a cutting-edge AI platform that lets you generate high-quality videos from text prompts, just like Midjourney does with images. Whether you're a creator, marketer, or just someone who loves experimenting with AI, PikaLabs gives you the power to create animations, cinematic scenes, or even product ads using only text. The best part? It's fast, and the results look stunning. So, getting started with PikaLabs is actually super easy. You sign up, upload your image, or type in a text prompt, and boom, you get AI-generated video clips in seconds. Pretty impressive, right? But here's where things take a turn, and not everyone's happy about it. Recently, PikaLabs introduced a premium plan that locks away some of the most useful features. Want higher resolution? Premium. Want faster rendering? Premium. Longer video durations? Yep, premium. And suddenly what felt like an exciting free tool starts feeling like a paywall trap. So, is PikaLabs still worth using after all this? That depends. If you're a casual creator just experimenting, the free version might still work, but if you need serious quality and speed, you're gonna have to pay up. Here's my advice: don't sleep on the free alternatives. Tools like PixVerse AI, Leonardo's Image2Motion, and even Runway ML's free credits can still give you great results without draining your wallet. What do you think? Is PikaLabs killing its own hype by going premium? Or do you think it's fair for them to start charging? Let me know in the comments. Hit that like button if you want me to review more AI tools, and make sure to subscribe to Aethonix AI so you never miss the next big update in AI content creation.